welcome back to the channel, guys. A nice vloggy episode for you today, and I really hope you enjoy it. We are off to Liverpool. Now, if you don't know, I spent a lot of time in Liverpool when I was a kid. Uncle used to have a shop there in Toxteth, bro. You get me? So yeah, I got a lot of connections in Liverpool. I actually made a friend a couple of months ago, met him at Car Wow. Sean, his name is, so if you're not checking him out, guys, check him out. Sean's Garage. He's got a few supercars, a couple of Lambos, and yeah, we're going up there today to make some content with him. Stay tuned. Big V10, bro. Sounds like a Huracan.
Yeah.
Sounds like Sean, man.
Yeah. You can see the roof box.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Sean. So guys, we have arrived. It's a lovely day today. Meet Sean.
Yeah, man.
I met him a few weeks ago on Car Wow. We can't say too much about that because it was really wow that day. But you'll see that soon. We made some content obviously on Car Wow with Matt and his team. But today we're not here about that. We're here about Sean and his car collection. Sean, man, you got some nice bulls here. You're intimidating the Smyrna, bro. The Smyrna's trying to be intimidated by two bulls. So we've got the Performante on the right hand side with bull JPEG number plate, looking hard as ever. And then we've got the Revuelto with a degenerate number plate. Do you guys know what a degenerate means? Comment below. So we're going to have a look around your collection today, but this is only some of it, isn't it?
Yeah, this is less than half at the moment.
So where's the rest of it,
so
bro?
The Cullinan had the van bulkhead drop on it, so it needs repairing on the back. The paint's gone through. The Urus is up for sale at the moment. So
Urus is up for
if anyone
sale.
Wants to buy it, let me know.
Shall we buy the Urus, guys? Or are we happy with the Smyrna? I think you already know the answer to that. So whatever he has got here, he has actually got a GTR R34.
About that, yeah.
V-spec?
No, just regular GTR.
Just
R34,
a regular GTR.
Yeah.
So we're going to have a look at that as well in a little while, guys. But before we do that, shall we have a spot of drifting? Right, time for a spot of drifting, guys. Well, that was me, guys. Now it's Sean's turn.
Not gonna lie, I'm quite nervous.
Nervous? You drive a Lambo. Get in there and send the bitch. Come on! Hey! Come on, baby! Smyrna time! Hey! Come on! Woo! Woo! Send it, send it! We can wash it, bro. You like it?
Love it, man. Yeah.
Wicked, isn't it?
Yeah. We try the Huracan.
Yeah. Next is the bull. Right, now we are in the Performante, guys. Sean is about to show me how to drift, aren't you, Sean?
About to try.
I don't know how to drift, do I?
Neither do I, man. Just making it up as I go.
Just going to be doing a little bit of a drift masterclass with Sean. Come on, Sean. Aye! 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 Come on! Aye! Oh,
I can't see nothing, man.
I can't see, bro. I think I breathed mud in. Oh my
hell.
That was mad. Oh, can't drift. What are you on about, bro? Bro, it's raining mud.
Hell. Let's go again.
Hey, come on.
You want to give it a go?
Shall I? Let's do it. Alright, let's see how this drifts, guys. Woo! Tokyo drifting, huh? Come on. Right, I can't see shit now. Right, big kids have been having some fun in some big whips. Look at the state of them now, man. Look. Oh my god. Right, so I just want to say thanks, Sean. Nice bit of drifting on this nice bit of land. Obviously I drifted the G81 first, then Sean had a go. Then Sean took me in the Huracan Performante, and then I had a go. Yeah. And it was fucking sick, to be frank. It was awesome.
It was.
So yeah, I really enjoyed that. Obviously we've got two dirty whips now. We've got the G81, which is dirty, and we've got the Lambo, which is just left there. And I think we're going to get someone out to clean them now. But yeah, we're going to go out now in the Revuelto, guys. I've never driven one. I've raced one before. I've never driven one. So we're going to go out. In fact, what we're going to do, Sean, is you drive the G81, because I'm trying to get him into one. Right, we're going to build him one. I think he likes mine. What did you think of mine?
You're selling me on it, yeah. Yeah, after driving it then, you've sold me on one, definitely.
What do you think to it?
I think it's insane. What
you
you've
see,
done to that is
what we did there is put it in rear-wheel drive, and that just turns it into a drift machine.
Yeah.
Click one more button, it's back into four-wheel drive.
Family car and a drift car.
This is the thing, I've told you guys before, look, it's Smyrna time, you know it's Smyrna time. I'm here playing with the bulls in a field, and it's still Smyrna time. So yeah, I think we've talked him into it, so me and Sean are going to speak about sourcing one now, getting it all sorted for him. But now, I think we should swap.
Yeah, let's do it.
So I'll go in the Revuelto, and you can go in the Smyrna.
Looking forward to it.
Let's do it. Wicked. You get up. Where is it? Here. Look.
Is it a string or something? No?
It's the window. How the f do you get out of this shit? We're having complications here.
Grab on the
He can't start mine and I can't get out of this. it in the not electric mode. Come on.
That noise.
Come on. Right. I have to go and help Sean because he can't start the car. I'll come and help you. Can you believe the G81 on ethanol beat this car? This thing's rapid, bro. Woo! I like it. I'm gonna have to swap for the week, man. 100%. Whilst we're here, bro, I've got a gift for you, man.
Got a gift?
Come on.
Oh,
It's Smyrna time, bro.
Smyrna time. Thank you very much,
I
man.
want to open it, have a look. See what you think, bro.
It's one of the t-shirts you guys have got on now.
Come on.
I was looking at that before, man. I love it. It's amazing.
I hope it fits you. Like it?
Yeah, it's lovely, man.
They're gonna fit.
Yeah, maybe. The medium. I don't know, they look like they fit big.
Yeah.
easy,
Come
man,
on.
easy. Thank you very much for that. Thanks a lot, man.
No worries, man. Smyrna time, bro. Comment below and guess how much a full tank is going to be on the Lamborghini Revuelto.
What do you reckon? I reckon like what?
I reckon.
90. Yeah.
I reckon 68 pounds.
45 miles left.
45 miles.
Yeah.
Bad to say, I never look at the price of this.
Come on, Sean. You see, some people don't look at the price of stuff. Us paupers, bro. We have to look at the price, innit?
I reckon 62 pounds.
62. I said six.
More.
I said 68,
I'd
guys.
say like 90. Is it
What
big
do you
car?
guys think? Comment below and let me know.
Sick.
£81 and 30 pence in the black bat, the Revuelto. Think an animal, bro.
I'm gonna give it a go.
Okay.
Oh, I feel it. Oh my god. What the f is this car?
Whoa, the G81 kept up there, you know, bro. Yes, Smyrna. The Smyrna kept up, bro. The Smyrna fully kept up. Wow. This Lamborghini Revuelto is fun, guys. Long as you don't put it in electric mode, it's havoc. Come on! Hey!
This car makes my Revuelto feel slow.
gonna lie, I've had some great fun today. Courtesy to my boy Sean. We've been doing some drifting, we've been doing some straight pulls, and I've been driving the Revuelto today, and I drove the Huracan, or drifted in it. Great car, I'm not gonna lie to you, if it didn't have the electric part, I would be considering one. Yeah. But to be honest with you, we've said I might get in one anyway, innit? Might be getting one soon.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's a sick car, sounds awesome. Amazing car, man. What did you think to the G81?
Hey, that makes that feel slow, like very slow to be fair. That is something different about that car, man.
Yeah.
It's absurd. It's insane what you've done to it. I loved it.
And the beauty is you can just daily it as well, can't
You can do everything with it, yeah.
So what do you think? You getting one or?
Possibly, yeah. I like
Possibly.
about it, yeah.
We're going to do a build, and if we do a build, he's actually going to do it with his own hands, with me. So we'll get it bought. But guys, I hope you enjoyed that thrilling video. I bet you can smell the fuel. And yeah, catch you again. It's Imty. Sean's Garage. If you're not checking him out on Instagram, go ahead. I'll put the link here so you can go check him out. He's got some cool cars. Surely we'll be doing some more content with Sean. And yeah, stay tuned, like, share and subscribe. See you again.